Welcome to Muranga County, courtesy of Batir Constructions, of course, your number one precast construction agency and steel fabricators. So behind me is our 4-bedroom bungalow, and as you can see, we are done with the exterior part of the work, the foundation, casting of the panels, our roof works, our skimming work is done, tile works already done, and right now we are working on the interior fittings of the house. So right here we have our entrance porch. Our tile works are very well done. It is very clear. The guests can be relaxing there. Then we have also been able to install our steel doors fabricated by Batir. These are Winster locks, and we have already done our one-way glasses for the house. Then right here we have our big and spacious lounge space. As you can see, our gypsum ceiling has already been installed and our skimming work is done. We have our nicely done windows, both grills and glasses also installed and well painted. Then right here we have our modern chimney. Actually, this modern chimney has not been done with precast. Down here we have done it with red bricks, and then the body part of it with normal stones, and right now we have cladded it with mazeras. Apart from this space and down here, this will be according to the client's choice of how the finishing of this part will be. And then on this circuitry space, we are going to be setting our TV, our TV, and then on that side, that is where we're going to be setting our couches. So for any of the projects that you want, you can always have a modern chimney like that. Then this space right here is our big and spacious dining space where we're going to be setting our dining table and seats. And then we have a small window here for serving from the kitchen to this part of the house. So right here, this is the kitchen space, very big for the family. We have already done our worktops with precast panels, and then the finishes have been done with normal ceramic tiles, both for the tops and on the part of the wall. So we are going to be setting down our cabinets down here and other cabinets up here. Then this place will be our cooker space. That's where we have this circuitry space, and then this right here will be where we're going to be setting our fridge. Then on this part of the kitchen, we have our pantry space, which is still work in progress for the storage of the kitchen materials. Now, before I take you into the bedroom spaces, we have this common cloakroom right here, where when we have visitors coming on board, this is the place that they're going to cloak in instead of, having to access other bathrooms. So we're going to be setting our sink, our toilet right here. That's why we have this floor trap. And then over here, we're going to set our wash and basin to enable people who are going to be here to be comfortable enough. Then this is our master bedroom. Big, very spacious. As you can see, our one-level gypsum ceiling has already been installed. Our downlighters, very beautifully done. Our skimming work done. Everything done with a very nicely done window that allows a lot of light to come in. Then over here we have a walk-in closet. Yenye big sana, so we are going to be mounting our wardrobes over here to aid in the storage and organization of our clothes and shoes. Then over here we have the master bathroom. Very big. Our tile works very well done from bottom to top. And then over right here, this is where our bathroom space is going to be looking like. On this other space, you'll see how we're going to set up the bathroom space for the master bedroom. Now follow me into bedroom number 2. It's one small bedroom, but very sizable. For, as you can see, it only has one window, but during the day it passes a lot of light in the room. Then right here we're going to be setting our wardrobe for the clothes and the shoes. This room is ensuite, so we have the bathroom space right here. So on this part, so this will be the bathroom space, and then we're going to set our toilet here. That's why we have that floor trap over there. Then we have bedroom number 3 right here, slightly bigger than bedroom number 2. A very big window also. Our gypsum ceiling has already been installed just like in the other rooms, and this space is where we're going to mount our wardrobes. And as you can see, our tile works, our floor tile works have already also been very well done. This is the bathroom space, also all tile works done from bottom to up the same way. This is where we are going to set the toilet, and the other part will be the bathroom space. Now finally into the guest room, but right before that we have our laundry space here, and this is where we are going to be setting our washing machine and setting the cabinets to aid in the organization of our towels and any other type of clothes that are required here. Then right here we have our guest room space, big and spacious. I bet you want to see how it's going to look like by the time we finish, but don't mind how it looks like. It's work in progress, and we are also using it as part of our storage space. This is where our wardrobes will be located, and then on this other side we have the bathroom space for this particular room. Then on this other side we're going to be setting our wash hand basin to ensure that the guests coming here will be very much comfortable. And then this is the back porch, big and spacious. The family can always relax here with a very nice view, and that's where we have our water tower already mounted. So guys, for more of these and other projects that we are working on different counties, please continue following us at Bachir Constructions on all our social media handles. Like, share, subscribe. Tell us what you think about the house, and if at all you want to build a house, why not talk to us?
Bachir, stone or precast, rentals or homes, we build it all. Contact us today.